नमस्कार, सलाम, thank you boys and girls. The stage is set for the senior group quiz contest science quest second semi-final. फर्स्ट सेमीफाइनल में हमने देखा कि कितना रोचक था। केवल एक अंक के अंतर से एक टीम फाइनल में जाने से रह गई और दूसरी टीम फाइनल में पहुंच गई। दोस्तों, जिंदगी की यही कहानी है। इस बार के ओलंपिक में एक सेकंड के 5000वें हिस्से से एक चैंपियन बन गए और दूसरे के सामने चैंपियन लगने से रह गया। ध्यान रखिए, एक सेकंड का 5000वां हिस्सा। दिस इज हाउ द कंपटीशन इन लाइफ, दिस इज हाउ द रेस ऑफ लाइफ इज रन, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी ऑल लर्न at a very tender age during your school days. Every day is a race day. Every day decides whether you are going to leave behind some of your partners or you are going to be left behind by some of your partners. हमारे गुरु कहा करते कि दुनिया में दो तरह के लोग हैं, एक वो जो औरों के बारे में बात करते हैं और एक वो जिनके बारे में बातें की जाती हैं। Now it is up to you. You want to be the people who talk about others or you want to be the people who are talked about. You want to be someone who is always a topic of the masses, or you want to be someone who is always a part of a gossip team. दोस्तों, ऐसे ही कुछ विद्यार्थी जो जमकर लड़ते हैं, जमकर पढ़ते हैं, अंतिम मिनट तक लड़ाई लड़ते हैं। अब आपके सामने मैं उनको प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं। आप जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए। सबसे पहले नाम बता रहे हैं टीम टी। It is time to call Team C. And last but not the least, they are the toughest of them all. I would give a call to Team E. Please take your seats. Second semi-final of the senior science quest. This is being brought to you by the Sporting Angels team. Our teachers, our science teachers, other teachers have taken a lot of efforts. The competition which you see on the screen, there is a lot of effort which has been put behind the screen, which you are not able to see. जितना आप सामने देख रहे हो या देखने जा रहे हो, the fierce competition among these three teams, उससे कहीं ज्यादा एफर्ट इन टीमों के तैयारी में उनके टीचर्स ने, इन्होंने स्वयं, इनके मार्गदर्शकों ने लगाए हैं और उस टीम ने भी बहुत एफर्ट लगाए हैं जिन्होंने इनके लिए ये कंपटीशन इस तरह से तैयार किया है। कार्ड बनाने से लेकर, स्कोर मेंटेन करने से लेकर, टाइम कीपिंग से लेकर, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स तक का टाइम हमारी टाइमर मैम रखती है। ये स्टैंडर्ड है स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स के टाइम कीपर का। सो स्ट्रेट वे we are all set for this Freers second semi-final. उससे पहले केवल एक अर्ज, अगर यहाँ हॉल में किसी का किसी से ज्यादा लगाव हो या स्कोर देख के दिल की धड़कनें बढ़ती हो तो वो पहले ही बाहर चले जाए। कंपटीशन ये भी उतना ही टफ होगा जितना पहले वाला, कभी वो टीम ऊपर तो कभी वो टीम ऊपर। एंड आई कैन अश्योर यू ऑडियंस वन थिंग, आफ्टर यू लीव दिस हॉल you will have enriched with science। तो आइए विक्रम साराभाई के जन्मदिन पर उनको याद करते हुए शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट की। पहला राउंड, I'll quickly go through the rules। The first round will be buzzer round। I'll ask them 3 questions। For each question, they can take 30 seconds before they throw the ball. Within 30 seconds, any of the team can throw the ball. The team throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to answer my question. If the answer is correct, they add 5 marks to their tally. But in case the answer is wrong, they lose 3. This is a negative marking round. The next round will be the regulation round. I'll go 4 times to each team, turn by turn. For each correct answer, they will add 5 marks to their tally. There will not be any negative marking during the regulation round. However, this is a pass round. A team is not able to answer, the question will be passed to the next team. If that team answers, 3 bonus marks will be added to their tally. It will also be passed to the third tally. To the third team will be only 1. Right? So, the last round will be the rapid fire, 70 seconds, 7 questions. And they will score 21 marks if they answer all the questions correctly. We are starting the first round, right? So here I go for the first question of the buzzer round. Ready teams, keep the balls in your hands, ready? And the question for you is, mention the unit of mass percentage of solution. Mention the unit of mass percentage of solution. The unit of mass percentage of solution. 30 seconds. You have to throw the ball within 30 seconds. Already 15 seconds over. The tick-ticky never stops. Time and tide wait for none. Come on. Deliberate and answer. Think and answer. Time up. So, the answer is mass percentage is simply a ratio. It has no unit. Mass percentage has no unit. Right? My second question of the buzzer round. Ready teams, balls in hand and ready. But do not be in unnecessary hurry. Sometimes hurry makes curry. And during the month of August, you wouldn't like curry. Right? The question is, what is the name of the lander of the spacecraft sent by India? Yes? Lander, I said. It is wrong. You lose 3 marks. The name of the lander was absolutely correct. Vikram. It was named after Vikram Sarabhai. ओके, दो बातें आप सभी जान लीजिए। एक तो लैंडर का नाम उनके नाम के साथ रखा गया, विक्रम। दूसरी बात, चंद्रमा पे एक रॉक का नाम उनके नाम के पीछे रखा गया है, साराभाई। तो इस तरह से दो चीजें उनके नाम के पीछे अंतरिक्ष में, केवल धरती पे नहीं। He was such a big name। जितने बड़े साइंटिस्ट थे उतने ही बड़े वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर भी थे। तभी तो इसरो के उन प्रारंभिक दिनों में, जब ज्यादा कोई फैसिलिटीज नहीं थी, आप आज के अखबारों में हर साल 12 अगस्त को अखबारों में जो लोग उनको याद करते हैं या इसरो को याद करते हैं, आप देखोगे अखबारों में ये आम बात है। एक बैलगाड़ी पर रॉकेट रखा हुआ है, एक साइकिल पे रॉकेट रखा हुआ है। ये वो दिन थे जब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल्कुल नहीं था, और इसरो ने, आप देखिए बाद में आकर के क्या शानदार काम किया। और हमने दिखाया कि जब मन हो काम करने का तो कई बार फैसिलिटीज भी आड़े नहीं आती। इसमें एक चीज और देख लीजिए कि इंडिया का जो मिशन मास है वो दुनिया में सबसे सस्ता। यहां तक कि एक फिल्म बनी है मिशन मास के ऊपर, उस फिल्म में ज्यादा लागत आई, और हमने स्पेसक्राफ्ट भेजा, उस पे कम लागत आई। आइए थर्ड and the last question. None of the teams have opened their tally yet. Golden opportunity to start your scoring. Third question for you is, ready? Keep the balls in the hands, ready? And the question is, the basic protein used in binding of DNA is Team B. Come again.
Histone protein.
Histone is absolutely correct, and you get 5 marks. With this, Team B starts their account. After the buzzer round, the scores are Team D 5, Team E haven't opened their account, and Team C -3. Well, we are starting the regulation round. The regulation round, I will be starting with Team B and move clockwise. The second regulation round, I will move anti-clockwise. The third one again clockwise, and the fourth one will be anti-clockwise. Let's start with the first one. The osmotic expansion of cells maintained in water is regulated by A. Rhizosomes, B. Vacuole, C. Chloroplast, D. Mitochondria. The osmotic expansion of cells maintained in water is mainly regulated by rhizosomes, vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria. Vacuole. After a lot of deliberation comes the answer, right or not? Question for you. Best stage to observe shape, size and number of chromosomes is interphase, metaphase, prophase, telophase. Best stage to observe shape, size and number of chromosomes is A. Interphase, B. Metaphase, C. Prophase, D. Telophase is not correct. seconds over. Pass to you. Is not correct. The answer is metaphase. Question number 3. It is for you, team E. The only cell organelle seen in prokaryote cell is mitochondria, ribosomes, plastids, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is not correct. Passes to you. Ribosomes is absolutely correct. You get 3 marks. Well, the second round I will start with you, team E, and your question is the missiles which can be used to attack other continents are known as A. Incospar, B. ICBM, C. PSLV, D. ASLV. Option C, PSLV, after a lot of thinking, but it is wrong. Passes to you, team C. Incospar, ICBM, PSLV, ASLV. 10 सेकंड हो गए क्या? ASLV is not correct. Passes to you. Incospar is not correct. The correct answer is intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBM. नाम से ही पता लग रहा था. नेम सजेस्ट ICBM, इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल्स. बाकी दो में तो मिसाइल नाम कहीं आता ही नहीं, एम कहीं नहीं है उनमें. वेल, द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ इंडियाज फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट? A. Aryabhatt, B. Rohini, C. GSLV, D. INSET. Aryabhatt, although you were hesitant, but you are right on dot. 5 marks. Question for you. In which rocket did Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian astronaut, went to space? A. Soyuz, B. Aryabhatt, C. Rohini, D. PSLV. राकेश शर्मा इनमें से किस में गई थी? रोहिणी is not correct. Passes to you. Aryabhatt is not correct. Passes to you. Soyuz, Aryabhatt, Rohini, PSLV. टाइम बचा है. PSLV is not correct. Soyuz is the correct answer. 1984 की बात है. 2 एयरफोर्स के ऑफिसर्स को सिलेक्ट किया गया था रशियन सोयूज में जाने के लिए. उनमें से एक को बनना था भारत का पहला अंतरिक्ष यात्री. स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राकेश शर्मा और विंग कमांडर मल्होत्रा. वेल बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, आपको ये जान के खुशी होगी कि हम दोनों से मिले हैं पालम में आमने सामने, और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा था जब स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राकेश शर्मा से हमारी पालम दिल्ली में मुलाकात हुई. हम इससे पहले टीचर बनने से पहले एयरफोर्स में एक सिपाही थे, एक टेक्नीशियन भी, और उसी नाते हमारी मुलाकात उस समय के ऑफिसर, द प्राउड ऑफिसर ऑफ इंडियन एयरफोर्स स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राकेश शर्मा जी से हुई थी. ठीक है, बड़े होके आप भी बहुत लोगों से मिलेंगे. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. It was It was for you. Now it is whose turn? The third regulation round, I'll be starting with you, team B. And your question is, if we heat iodine, then it is a physical change, B chemical change, C no change, D color change. If we heat iodine, then it is physical change, chemical change, no change, color change. Physical change again after a lot of deliberation. But you are right on dot again. Question for you. Which components of mixture react with dilute HCl and give hydrogen gas? A. Iron. B. Sulfur. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Which components of mixture react with dilute HCl and give hydrogen gas? A. Which components of mixture Fe plus S react with dilute HCl and give hydrogen gas? A. Iron. B. Sulfur. C. Both A and B. Both A and B. I am afraid is not correct. Passes to you. Iron is correct. You get 3 marks. And now the question for you. Which of the following can be classified as a mixture? A clear white salt solution, a bowl of water with floating ice cubes, a piece of paper cut into different shapes, a rusted iron nail. Which of the following can be classified as a mixture? A clear white salt solution, a bowl of water with floating ice cubes, a piece of paper cut into different shapes, a rusted iron nail. फिर से बोलो. A clear white salt solution. बहुत डर डर के आंसर आया, लेकिन बिल्कुल सही है. A quantity has a value of minus 10 meter per second. It may be the A. displacement of particle, B. velocity of a particle, C. position of a particle, D. speed of a particle. A quantity has a value of minus 10 meter per second. It may be the A. displacement of particle, B. velocity of particle, C. position of a particle, D. speed of a particle. Position of a particle. You have developed a habit of always answering late after a lot of deliberation, but this time you are caught on back foot. The answer is wrong. Passes to you. 10 seconds only. Velocity. Velocity. Velocity of particle of movement. And the original question is now, if a body moves with uniform velocity, its V is equal to 0, U is equal to 0, A is equal to 0, none of these. If a body moves with uniform velocity, its A, V is equal to 0, B, U is equal to 0, C, A is equal to 0. D, none of these. None of these is not correct. Pass it to you. A is equal to 0. It is moving. It is, mind you, moving with a uniform velocity. There is no change in the velocity. आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं क्वेश्चन पे, कोई बात नहीं. There is always next time question for you. The numerical ratio of displacement to distance for a moving object is always less than 1, always equal to 1, always more than 1, equal or less than 1. Option D, equal or less than 1 is absolutely correct. So with this, देवियों सज्जनों, हमने समाप्त कर लिया है सेकंड राउंड, जो कि था रेगुलेशन राउंड. और रेगुलेशन राउंड के बाद आप सभी इच्छुक होंगे स्कोर जानने के, और स्कोर है टीम बी are the leaders with 26 points, team C 5, team E 8. We are entering the last phase of this quiz contest. Rapid fire round आरंभ कर रहे हैं, और अब हम इस क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट में वहां प्रवेश कर चुके हैं जहां पर नॉर्मली तो जो लीडर्स होते हैं वो अगर काफी मार्जिन है तो फिर मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन यहां जैसा कि आप बोर्ड पे देख सकते हो वो टीम सी और टीम ई में काफी क्लोज लड़ाई है, और फाइनल के लिए दो टीमें आगे जाएंगी. तो टीम सी और टीम ई के पास अभी भी चांस बना हुआ है कि उनमें से कौन आगे जाए. हम टीम सी से आरंभ करेंगे रैपिड फायर राउंड. आई हैव अ कार्ड इन माय हैंड. द टाइमर हैज गॉट 70 seconds in her hand. You have 7 answers in your hand, and the judges have 21 marks to give you wholeheartedly in their bill. You are ready? So is the timer, and so am I. So the time starts now. When a bullet is fired from the gun and the gun recoil, this is based on law of inertia. Agree or disagree? Right? An object can still run with non-zero velocity even the net force acting on the body is zero. True or false? Right? Gas is most compressible. Straight or googly? Straight. Is correct. Chromatography is the process used to separate cream from milk. Am I serious or joking? Joking. Yes, I was really joking. Phagocytosis is the process by which cells take up solid food. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. No. Plasma membrane is made up of cellulose. Agree or disagree? No. Milk show Tyndall effect. True or false? Is not correct. I asked them 7. They answered 4 correct. 4 3s are 12. 12 added to their tally, and their tally goes to 17. It was good going. You can applause for them. Well, team E, before we start, just have a look on the scoreboard, and you can see that even if you answer 4 correct, you are making it to the finals. So be patient. Ready? Timer. And your time starts now. Cell wall of a plant is a living structure. Agree or disagree? Disagree. It's right. the distance time graph be used to represent the non-uniform motion of the body. True or false? Is not correct. A straight line on the distance time graph indicates that the object is moving at a constant speed. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Yes, I am serious. Boiling is a milk phenomenon. Correct or incorrect? Is not correct. Water at room temperature is a liquid. Right or wrong? Right is right. Weeds affect the crop plants by dominating the plants to grow. Agree or disagree? Is not correct. Apis dorsata is an Italian honey bee species. True or false? Is not correct. Oh God! Oh my God! Hey Prabhu, कहाँ हो तुम? Please edit. Makes it 17 and it's a tie. You can see that Team C and Team E are tied on the same score, that is 17 and 17. So for a tie, we will have to play the final super over. So we will come back to that super over, but before that we have to go to Team B for the rapid fire round. After this, Team B will be resting completely. They have already qualified for the finals. First of all, it is your choice if you wish to play the rapid fire round. You are willing to play. Okay. Well, ready? Timer? Ready? So your time starts now. Mixed cropping is the process of growing two or more crops in a definitely pattern. Agree or disagree? Is not correct. Vacuole is covered by a double membrane. True or false?
False.
Is correct. Nucleus is involved with the formation of lysosomes. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Yes, I was joking. The area of the speed time graph is speed. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Right? The numerical ratio of displacement to distance for a moving object is always equal to 1. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Right? Solution is a heterogeneous mixture. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? The process of converting a liquid into a gas is called condensation. True or false? Is not correct. So they answered 5 correct. 5 3s are 15 added to the tally makes it 41, and 41 is absolutely good score. Right? Team B, you can go. You have already qualified. Congratulations. Now it's a tie between Team C and Team E. For Team C and Team E, I'll be asking 2 buzzer questions. These 2 buzzer questions will decide who goes to the final. Well, it's been a fantastic semi-final so far. Team C and Team E are tied with each team scoring 17. And to break this tie, I have got 3 questions in my hand. I will go for all the 3 questions, and whichever team takes lead after these 3 questions will be the winner and will proceed to the final. In case there is still a tie after 3 questions, then we will go for the regulation round. In case again there is a tie, we will go for the buzzer round, and then again if there is a tie, then we will not go further. We will decide the match with a toss. Right? So, why to go till the toes? Let's decide now. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. Keep the balls in your hands. Here comes the first question. The question is, what is tincture of iodine? Team C.
Iodine and alcohol.
Iodine dissolved in alcohol is correct. You get 5 marks. Get ready again. Question number 2. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. And here I go for the second question. The question is, name the repeating components of each DNA strand lengthwise. Name the repeating components of each DNA strand lengthwise. Yes? Team E. Entry. You can spell the word. आप स्पेलिंग भी बोल सकते हो. स्पेलिंग बोल सकते हो. ये बोल चुका है, मैं इसलिए स्पेलिंग जानना चाह रहा हूं. विद इन द टाइम उसने बोल दिया है. स्पेलिंग आप अगले 5 सेकंड में बोल सकते हो, नहीं तो फिर टाइम विल बी अप. आप स्पेलिंग बोल दीजिए हमें, जो भी वर्ड आपने बोला था. HETROGENUS is not correct. It is -3. Last question coming up. एक बार बोर्ड पे देख लीजिए. अभी भी किसी टीम के पास चांस है क्या? If you answer this correctly. Ready, teams? Balls in hand. And your question is, name the physical quantity whose unit is kilogram meter per second. Name the physical quantity whose unit is kilogram meter per second. Kilogram meter per second. Come on. Take a chance. It is the correct time to get a big lead. 30 seconds, already 26 seconds over, 27, 28, 30. Time up. With this, we have broken this tie. Now the final scores are 41, 22 and 14. And with this, Team B and Team C make it to the finals. Congratulations, Team C. You fought well. There is always next time. It was bad luck. Thank you. Audience, I would like to say you have been extremely good, and thanks a lot for devoting a lot of time and for all your applause. Thank you.